What if I told you Earth is slowly spiraling toward the sun and that it could lead to the downfall of humanity? This isn't some science fiction movie plot. It's a reality rooted in astrophysics. Earth's orbit isn't fixed, it's slightly elliptical and constantly shifting due to gravitational forces from the sun, moon, and even other planets. Over thousands of years, these changes, called Milankovitch cycles, alter the distance between Earth and the sun, tilting climate patterns across millennia. The what if we told you this subtle drift accelerated by our own actions could unleash a climate catastrophe? Even now, Earth swings 5 million kilometers closer to the sun every January, receiving about 7% more solar energy, and it does in July. That difference alone helps power our seasons. But if the Earth were to move even slightly closer over time, just 1%, the effects would be devastating. Temperatures would spike, ice caps would melt at unprecedented rates, and rising oceans would swallow coastlines across the world. Cities like Miami, Jakarta, Mumbai, and entire island nations could vanish beneath the sea. Heat waves that once occur every 100 years would strike every summer. Crops would begin to fail, especially in regions already on the edge of habitability. Livestock would perish. Global food chains would collapse, and water, it would evaporate faster than we could store it. But the real horror starts when you understand feedback loops. As Earth heats, ice disappears. That ice once reflected solar energy back into space. Now, dark oceans absorb it, heating the planet further. More heat means more water vapor, another greenhouse gas trapping more heat still. This spiral could push Earth into what scientists call a most greenhouse effect, where oceans boil, the atmosphere becomes superheated, and human life becomes impossible. Sound extreme? Just look at Venus, a planet the same size as ours that likely once had water, clouds, maybe even oceans. Today, it's a scorched wasteland with surface temperatures hot enough to melt lead. Earth could follow that path not in centuries, but over tens of thousands of years. But here's the catch. Human-driven climate change is accelerating this process dramatically. By burning fossil fuels, destroying forests, and pumping carbon dioxide into the air, we're magnifying the sun's influence. We're not waiting for orbital drift, we're pulling the furnace closer. And if we don't act, if we don't slash emissions, protect our environment, and prepare for long-term planetary shifts, we won't need to wait for the sun to destroy us. We'll do it ourselves. The apocalypse won't come in fire from the skies. It will come in the form of slow, unstoppable heat, and it's already begun.